Hi everybody, if you're watching this video, you're interested in product information on one of my monster kiosks. My name is Bob Miller. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's East Coast time. If you're looking for me about pricing and availability, this is my phone number. I manufacture a turnkey situation where I produce artwork, deliver, install, remove kiosk structures, freestanding structures that get set up for outdoor displays and outdoor events. What you see here is a 8-foot by 24-foot step and repeat mural that I print on banner material, and I erect and I install on my steel frame structures. And I use a heavy duty banner material, and I mount my banners with ball bungees, so I take into account expansion and wind load on the festival. We're going to do a walk around on this. This is an 8-foot by 24-foot step and repeat photo opportunity for this upcoming Strawberry Festival. And we're going to do a walk around the back side of the display. This is the back side of the display. This is the triangular footprint that I need to erect this display and have it stand upright. What you see here is a 6-foot by 8-foot flare out banner graphic. And what you see here is an 8-foot by 12-foot banner graphic. And this is a scheduled event. And that is sponsor lineup. This is an 8-foot by 12-foot structural frame in the back here. And when I do a turnkey and I install these, I do mechanically secure these to the ground. So I do use tent stakes and I use straps to mechanically secure. We're going to come around to this side here. Here's another 8-foot by 12-foot frame, and with the festival map banner graphic on this. And this is the footprint required to hold this display erect. We're going to come around to this flare out here. This is another 6-foot by 8-foot banner graphic. And we're going to wrap around the front one more time. And this is it. This is my monster kiosk, is what I call this. Outdoor display. This particular one is a 24-foot step and repeat logo. And that's it. This is my presentation on my monster kiosk. My name is Bob Miller. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's East Coast time. Here's the company phone number if you're interested in product information and availability. Thanks for watching the video.